the cow, and all of you who are here, including UPDF. I must say that I am the happiest person. We got 3 billion shillings plus from SGR as a compensation for the land which was taken here. Other districts also got, because this railway runs from the border of Kenya up to Kampala, passing other districts. And to be specific, Jinja, they got more money than us. But when you go to Jinja, I must say they did nothing. There is only architectural work, drawing. For us, the money we got, you are seeing these blocks. We also renovated wax yard, and we are buying 3 brand new vehicles to support the hospital and also the district. I have done my work. I have heard many people say those people took SGR money, they did work. Let them talk. But I have done my work during my time to see that this money was safe, and he has done this work. I have no reason to speak much, except I have issues with you, UPDF. We have given you so much work in Tororo here. Others you have done excellent, like this one is excellent. But others you have also done shoddy work. I want to be specific. Merikit Health Center was not well done. But also, each of these constructions, we send you money together with the money for monitoring, engineering support, and so on. But you never bring the money back to support the district. So we have accumulated a lot of money with you people. Now, we may not want that money now for monitoring. Me, I want additional work. In the hospital here, I have showed you that we need a walkway. I want from this staff house, no health worker should say that there was rain in the morning, we could not go to the ward. There is less than 50 meters for you to connect us with the walkway. I also gave you, we have started a mortuary there. We are not able to complete because the money was not enough. And then we have this hospital has issue of water. We need the dirty water, which we are pumping with solar. We need there water stand and a very big one tank. Those are 3 projects. I wish you could choose one as a bonus, and then you do for us. I would be very, very happy with you. On top of what, and I've been raising this, you people, like you now, you have come today. You can't answer that at all. I don't know why. And yet UPDF is disciplined. But I have been trying to talk to you this, you don't. Maybe you should tell me whether you cannot manage or you will manage, such that we don't postpone issues every day. I thank all of you who have come. I want to thank Madam Samali. I know the role you play until these projects are here like this. And with that, I want to introduce the honorable members of council for this area. I have honorable Sarah. I don't want to sit down or what. Handy. And that's how we work. So Sarah, I can't leave you. I was the man you came late. I'll just introduce you. Thank you for coming. Tororo is now becoming Tororo General Hospital. We have just commissioned these 2 storage buildings for the health workers. We got 3 billion shillings from Standard Gauge Railway, but we have used here 2.5 billion shillings to see that we finish this building for the health workers. Part of the money we have used for renovating works here, and then we are also buying 3 vehicles, 2 for the hospital and 1 for the district. And that finishes the money, the 3 billion shillings. Other districts also got this money, but they have done nothing. You know, this railway runs from Kenya up to Kampala. So it is running through other districts, and Standard Gauge Railway compensates them. For example, Ginger used to got more money from us, but what they did was just as architectural work, drawing picture on, and there is nothing they have done. For Tororo, this is what we have done. We have renovated the works yard and we are buying 3 vehicles with that compensation from SDR.